All right, lesson 7-6 is one of our American Tour lessons, but we're going to be working on line graphs. So we're going to construct line graphs. We've done some things with bar graphs, we've done circle graphs. We're going to take a look at line graphs this time and see what we need to do. So in your math journal, you have this great set of instructions that you need to follow when you make your line graph. Okay, you're going to choose and write a title. You're going to decide which axis is going to represent what information. Usually the horizontal axis is your time, days, hours, okay, and then your vertical one will be the data that you're representing, so it could be temperature, growth. You need to choose an appropriate scale. Are you going to count by tens? Are you going to do days of the week? How are you going to label each axis? And so then you'll want to draw and label them and include those scales, and then plot your points using whatever data piece you're graphing, and then connect the points so that we can see some trends in the data. So let's take a look. You're going to have this to complete. Those directions are right there. Okay, you're going to take this data. You'll have to come up with a title. A lot of times the title on your data here is going to be a good title for your line graph. You are also going to want to decide, should my numbers go along this axis or should my days of the week? Remember, in the directions, they suggested time periods like days of the week should go along the horizontal, and then the information you're measuring should go along the vertical. You'll need to decide if you're going to count by ones, twos, fives, or tens. And then you'll go ahead and plot that on there. Okay, so that's something that you'll work on constructing on your own. There are some other good examples in your SRB. You'll actually use some of this information and this